Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about maintenance. So what is maintenance? The maintenance division of the factory ensures the availability of machines and equipment to perform their functions at optimum condition. With the development of the special purpose machine and equipment, it cost a lot more money, so their idle time and downtime becoming a lot more expensive day by day. Therefore, it is important that plant machinery and equipment should be properly maintained. Objectives of plant maintenance. Maintenance division of factory ensure the availability of machines and equipment to perform their functions at optimum conditions. The objectives of plant maintenance division is to achieve minimum breakdown and to keep plant in excellent condition at the lowest possible cost. Kept in plant in such condition that it should run without any interruptions. Maintenance can be classified into four types. Types of maintenance. Categories. 1. First, corrective breakdown maintenance. Second, scheduled maintenance. Third, preventive maintenance. Fourth, predictive maintenance. First, corrective or breakdown maintenance. Corrective or breakdown maintenance repairs are made after the equipment is out of order and it cannot perform its normal function. In that case, the maintenance department come into actions to make necessary repair. After checking, they do not attend the equipment until another breakdown occurs. Breakdowns lead to poor maintenance, excessive delay in the productions, more spoiled material and profit loss. This type of maintenance is justified for small plants where they do not feel financial justifications for schedule. Techniques. Corrective or breakdown maintenance need for record and small stop. Second, scheduled maintenance. Breakdown maintenance can't be applied in the maintenance of cranes, lifts, hoists and pressures vessel. Scheduled maintenance department inspect equipment early and makes necessary change to avoid breakdown. Scheduled maintenance incorporate inspections, lubrications and repair. Third, certain equipment. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance locates weak spot like bearing part under excessive vibrations, pressures, vessel, etc. Need regular inspections and minimal repair, thereby reducing the danger of breakdown. Preventive maintenance involves periodic inspections of components and correct them in such conditions while they are still in the minor stage of make plant equipment always ready for use and achieve maximum production. Fourth, maintenance predictive. It can never maintenance technique uses human sensor or sensing instruments such as audio gauge to sense machines sounds, vibrations, analyzers for checking vibrations, amplitude meter, thermometer, pressures, gauge, etc. for predict trouble before breakdown occurs. In predictive maintenance, equipment conditions are measured periodically to take timely action such as equipment adjustment, repair or overhaul. Predictive maintenance increase the lifetime of the equipment. If you find the video helpful, please give us a like, share the video and don't forget the subscribe.